me know when you
go ahead. I'm just
it.
here sucking on a pickle or
Facts
on nut.
We just went and got some pickles because Jeff was driving like a madman, and we just saw pickle stand. I saw pickle stand, peanut stand. Lights got oranges. Jeff got some wet nuts. I mean some wet peanuts.
Yeah, some wet peanuts.
This man asked me to try it. I don't think I could do it, G.
Yo, suck them nuts out.
Yo.
You ready? On the count of 3, we sucking.
Hey, bro, chill. All right.
That's foul.
Trash, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
The kid will like these. I know it.
It's the pickle taste for me, bro.
Oh nah.
Oh,
that was pretty raunchy.
And there's no drink, bro.
Oop. Here, booty.
Ooh, good orange juice.
All right, so welcome back to the channel. Today, what are we gonna be doing today, Jeff?
Loading the E36, pulling the Miata around, shooting some guns, chili and barbecue, and holding some fucking gators.
Sounds like a good day.
I'm trying to do a burnout in the
SC300. There you go, got you. We'll start that bitch up too.
All right.
What's up?
All right, so as you guys have heard, we got a little action for y'all today. So let's head back to Jeff's crib. We're just chilling at the lake right now.
I'm actually about to go swimming. Fun fact, African Americans can't swim.
So we just got the trailer loaded up, or got it attached, and we're gonna go load up the E36. So we are loading up the E36 to go get a cage put in it. Jeff has a little cage for it that's like a maroon color. It's already been powder coated, ready to go in. So we're just gonna get that all set up, and hopefully we'll see it down drifting in Maryland and here, and he's gonna be doing a lot of drifting in that thing. Look at Corey's goofy ass.
Now I honestly want to buy a car. I hit a guy up for a fucking Z for another one. I mean, I already found one that I'm trying to get when I get back to Richmond. But to come up to Rockville and buy a 05 350 DE. But I'm trying to also get a car while I'm down here. If it's already
shut
done.
up. They moving the E36. Sick.
Not
sick.
even, bro. He's sick.
He's sick.
Not even. You want else to sick? Your shoes are sick.
Damn. Shit.
Oh, I'm tripping. I'm over here smiling and shit. Yeah, you should get in this joint, bro. Maybe you should get in this joint. Bro, chill. Bro.
I forgot how low this was to the ground. It's all good. We're gonna slide just like this.
Hell yeah. Fucking send it.
Exactly.
No, I didn't mean it like that.
I'm not running any fenders.
I'm hit.
I'm not running any bumpers. No hood.
Bro,
Just
what?
straight missile.
Straight missile car.
No, you have to. You gotta put something. Not like you gotta leave like the skirts on it and get
Bro,
over.
no, I'm not running skirts either. I'm just gonna have 2 bars.
Doors. That's it.
Like just 2 bars instead. They'll be like
maybe not even doors. Just get fucking like the.
Honestly, I don't even need doors because I will
doors?
have my cage that has the whole bar system
Yeah.
right here. Yeah, that'd be tight. At that point, I might as well
It's just a
cut
drift
everything
cart.
off.
It's just a drift cart.
I might as well
That's
just
it.
chop the rear end off this
That's
joint.
it.
They get y'all to a truck.
I want to do that, but the best ones to do that are with the 318 TIs. The hatchback E36s.
Yeah.
You can turn those into trucks like mint, dude. They have whole, like a bunch of kits and stuff for them.
Peep.
Good fuel cell.
Let's jump out of here.
You already know what time.
Yo, Bean's just chilling.
Hey, for real, dog. Got the C delete. Hey, go ahead. He's sliding. Hit the heat. Ooh.
Oh.
Alright, we probably won't go up in it the first time. But we can get straight.
Damn, this bitch is electric, huh?
He can.
There's no noise.
Oh, nah. It's like nah. This tire's gonna like, I don't know.
Straighten it out, then, baby. To the right, wrong way. Right, straighten it out. You're crooked. Straighten it out with the trailer.
I can see, bro.
Look through that middle piece. Man, come on, Bob, use your brain. Don't make sure it's not too far off of one side of the trailer. Keep that shit right in the middle.
To right a little bit.
Left.
Come on, dog.
We on this bitch.
We could have gone way left, way more though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Going is lopsided. I'm gonna push it back down.
Redo. Redo. Do.
So you really want to get behind that Joe, bro? Oh yes. Oh yeah.
All right, now go left.
Ooh, those Crocs got the grip.
Son.
Yeah, they do, boy.
They ain't even in sport mode.
Now straighten it out to the right.
All terrain. All terrain mode. Yo.
There's just a little good dump spot. You gotta take a shit at the track.
Hey.
Got the little, put a trash can right here.
Go show them the cage.
Oh yeah, we're about to.
In all honesty, I'm about to see where we sleeping at too. Welcome to my, it's my, you know what I'm saying, MTV crib right here.
Good wheel.
You feel me? You know what I'm saying? We got the goddamn big locks, you feel me? Over here we got the bathroom, crock pot.
Y'all ahead. Y'all use the bed.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know. I can't remember. I'm pretty sure we showed you guys this in the last part, but this is gonna be the cage. So we're taking it to go get welded together and put in. It's gonna look gas, matching with the seats. It's gonna look so good,
I'm gonna
bro.
match the control arms to rear bash bar and front pump bash bar.
So he could hit that.
Everything match.
I'm splash cakes in those.
Mm-hmm.
Goddamn curb stomper foes.
Everything just gotta go together, bro.
That's crazy looking.
Bro, the seat, the wheel,
Just
cage,
cause, dog, even though it's gonna be like a drift missile, don't mean the interior gotta be dripped out.
like,
This man got the sauce.
And we're gonna do starlights with that bitch.
He's giving y'all the tips. You gotta have good interior, no matter what you're doing.
Yeah, even if it's a throw around car, dog, it's gotta have at least some nice interior. Cause that's where you sit the entire time. That's all that matters for you is the inside.
cockpit, bro.
Make that shit exactly what you want.
Cockpit. You gotta
Fuck
be
the
comfortable.
outside. The outside's for everybody else, dumbass
Hey,
to
but
look
hold on,
at.
you gotta have a radio on this junk though.
Oh, bro, I got a boombox that just gonna strap down with a ratchet strap, connects through Bluetooth.
What's up?
Fucking sound system, just boom, boom, boom.
Let's go, bro.
Is that?
Did y'all peep that? That was first try.
It's my hydro e-brake, bro.
Peep the hydro e-brake, bro. Also peep this first try. Oh, fuck.
Oh.
Good jerk
Oh,
off
you
hand.
feel me?
Good jerk off hand.
Peep. This guy.
It's all in the form, bro. Let that shit just bounce.
Fools. We got a little delivery.
Hey, bro, these niggas drive their trucks like they driving Scat Packs and Hellcats. I swear to God.
Oh, we're gonna go to the front like a
Yo, dumbass.
These nice right here.
No.
He's like, man, let me go through the outro first.
So, Jeff ordered some wheels for the 7 Series. And we're kind of thinking that these are them. So let's see if these are the wheels, because these things are gas. They're crazy.
It's not. I don't think it's wheels, though.
It's not the wheels? Oh.
We're gonna see.
Oh.
That's kind of big.
It is kind of big.
It's not the usual size of FedEx truck. I'm gonna say
Yes, sir. Are we
These are
gonna
pretty
show them?
heavy.
Are we gonna show them the sauce?
Yeah, I gotta figure out what these are.
They are. They're the wheels.
Maybe.
They
but-
say 3-piece US. Right on there.
Are those your wheels?
Yeah.
Oh man. They the wheels.
Hey, that's crazy, bro.
I just picked up one side, man. This guy throw it up. Throw it over his back.
Bro, I know.
Can't just do it myself.
One hand. This man.
This man is
He
ridiculous.
said, I don't go to the gym, but I like to lift car parts.
That is my gym.
My man was
Get a knife
carrying
real quick.
4 newborn babies on his back.
Oh, he's talking about
Everyone getting new wheels this weekend. I got my wheels. Jeff got his wheels.
I still ain't got no wheels.
You ain't got no wheels, boy.
I don't even have my car yet.
Comment down there to let Corey know what car he should get.
Facts. Let me know what car you think I should get.
Honestly.
Maybe we'll go vlog and pick up a car.
Yes, sir.
We'll vlog and pick
That's
up
a
a car.
must.
And as soon as I get it, I'm doing a burnout in it.
Facts.
Mark my words, I'm doing a burnout in the car as soon as I get it.
With the guy in it.
Well, yeah, literally.
Tell me how to mount tires, bro. Got the dullest knife I could find to make it interesting.
Kind of what you gotta do.
Okay.
You gonna take that cardboard off, they're gonna be upside
Upside
down.
down. Facts. Bro, damn. Hey, shout out 3-piece for like good packaging. This shit not gonna get fucking beat.
They made sure that was gonna be
For real.
Are these colored or anything like that?
Oh, I'm busted.
we see chrome.
Ooh.
Let's go. I wonder if it's gonna be the rear or the front. Definitely the front, it looks like. Or no, it's the rear.
Those are hard.
Facts, bruh. Gas.
He's a fat boy.
Gas.
Yes.
They're gonna feel on that bit somehow.
You gonna make them work.
Damn, they even gave me a stand for it and everything. Just for the moment. They're like, we knew Mace was gonna be there.
Gotta put on your neck now.
Damn.
Facts. With the picture, I get the picture of it.
Sheesh.
What the hell does this say? This says 3. Now this,
If you say that's the front, bro, I'm a tweet.
I think that is a front.
Bro, I'm literally
What?
I don't know. Those might be fronts. Yeah, I think this is a rear.
10, 20. I can't read.
Bro, they can't write.
I don't know how to read.
I can't read.
That's a shame.
And these things are gas.
Bro, jokes like that just hit me.
Yeah, that has to be a fucking the fronts then. Actually, let's see. I guess whatever box is taller would be the rear.
Hey, make sure that wheel doesn't fall, man. Okay.
Yeah, look, I just left it up there. Damn,
I got
they're
you.
Like both the same size.
I got you.
Fuck me, buddy.
Maybe one has less packaging.
Maybe. Grab that box for me. I'm gonna put this one back in there so I can open this other one. Please put on the phone, bro.
So those are definitely the rears. Those are
damn,
a little less
the
wide, but
fronts,
they're still
bro.
meaty as shit.
Are these welded? No.
Nah, they're sealed. They're sealed.
Good seal, bro.
Damn.
And you couldn't even notice they were sealed.
For real. These look tough. These are gonna
4-inch lips on each one.
I think it's a 3.5 or 4.
3.5.
Because that looks way wider. Dang, look at the swaggy fit.
Yo,
With the
Supreme hoodie.
Supreme. These hit on another level.
These are just different, bro.
Yeah, the drip is. Swamp Daddy, the dude who be welding our stuff, is closed this weekend. So we're just gonna go to a chili tasting thing. Eat some chili and shit. And then go play some mini golf. And then go fuck around with the Miata.
Turn on out the SC if you let me.
All right, guys. Well, it was a good time in Florida.
Good trip for
Big
you guys.
trip.
I think we're gonna end it here right now. It's getting dark outside. You guys won't be able to see much of anything that we're gonna be doing.
Thanks.
But thank you guys as always for coming, watching the vlogs. I hope you guys enjoyed our little trip. We'll definitely be out here soon.
Yeah, that's what we're about to go fuck up right now.
Yeah, Jeff's about to make us some more smack quesadillas like last night.
And look for some Z's so you can buy and leave it down here.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm trying to buy a car.
Hell yeah. Alright guys, so we will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Let's see Jeff soon.
Come back, we're gonna have more ready.
Deuces.